Yo, we have this simple sample table of the resources required for our project. We have the, let's say, for example, the type of the resource is the vehicles, and we have the truck A, B, C, D, E here. Then we have the total cost, and we have the distribution period of the usage for each truck. And the issue is when our bosses or when our superiors ask the end of hire time for each truck. We are not talking about one or five or let's say 10 items, because if the total number of the resource is small, we can directly check manually. But in reality, we have more than 100 or maybe let's say up to 1000 of resource involved in our project. So it will be a big problem for us to check manually one by one. Let's say for this truck A. Truck A is hired between January to March, so we can put it March here. But sometimes the plan adjusted. So let's say truck A is extended up to May. So my formula I have prepared that could be automatically follow what is the current plan. So let's say this is have a look, March, and we change the plan to May, so it gives us May. So how can we prepare this one? So let's start it. Okay, basically the function required for this is only two functions. First one is the index, second is the count function. Both is quite popular for us. For me, the index function is very useful, and also it is the alternative for the VLOOKUP or the HLOOKUP function. The composition itself is quite simple. This is started by the array. It means the area of the lookup data, then the row number, and then the column number. We'll see what it means later. And then the count. Count is quite very popular, so it gives us the total counted data in selected area. Counted data. Okay, now we will apply this one to our table. So first of all, I will move our existing data to the right, and I will delete this one. So I will apply the index function first. Index. Okay, the index function started by input the array area. It means like the area of the lookup data. The lookup data we are going to do is the period between January to July, because this is the answer that exactly we are going to match to the resource. So I will select and make a block from January to July, and then I will lock, and then next will be the row number. Because our row only have one number of row, I will directly type 1. Next is the column. Sorry, change. This is the right. Okay, the column. So the trick is in the column number, because we should match the truck total distribution of the usage to the total column of the array area. So in this case, we have to utilize the count function. Count. I will make a selection in the same range as the array. Okay, and then I will make a copy to below. Now we check one by one. For truck A is hired from January to March. Okay, this is correct. Truck B from January to April, so this is correct. For truck C, between March to April, to May, and this is not correct. Truck D from D to May, this is also wrong. Truck E from May to July, this is also wrong. So we have to fix this issue. How we can fix it? Because the index function requires us to input the total column to match the array. So for truck C, the total column should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead, our count function only finds 3 currently because other cell is blank, so it still gives us March, because March will be the column number 3 for truck C. So how to fix this issue? We should fill the blank with 0. I'll make a copy. Okay, now let's check. Truck C, end of hire to May. Okay, now this is correct. Truck D, up to May. Now this is correct. Truck E, now it is correct. July. Okay, the last tips to not let the blank cell is filled with 0 like this. We can go to File, an option, Advanced. Okay, we should make this box is not selected, because if it is selected, it will show a 0 in cells that have 0 value. So we have to not select it. Okay, now it is clear, and the end of hire is exactly as the plan is usage. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this is useful. Bye bye.